So today I'm going to show you how to put the downspout, okay, for the hot water tank, the drain pipe for the hot water tank. Measurement of it, or the exact measurement. When you buy it, 63 inch, so you will have to cut it anyway. So this one, I'm going to make sure it drains right here. Okay. I think regulation is like less than 5 inches off the ground. I think regulation, I'm not 100% sure. I think it has to be no more than 5 inches off the ground, or 6 inches off the ground. So I'm going to make sure I put it right here. So you want to touch the pipe. Says you're going to cut 44 inch. Okay. So basically, I got a 3/4 inch pipe here. You go cut 44 inch. Got my tools here to cut it. Oh, okay. So I'm going this is Milwaukee. Okay. Tool I got here. So reverse. Make sure you don't put your hand in it. Alright. Easy when you have a right tool, right? So I'm going to cut 44 inch. Measure it. That's 44. Doesn't have to be exact. So it's 44 right here. Put your pipe here. Nice cut. Okay. Frame. Cut your glue. Get your adapter. Alright. Mel. Basically, try it first. Nope. Don't know why I put inside that pipe. Glue, I'd like to put on both sides. And that's it. Put it in. Okay? So you see how easy it is. Okay. Drain it. Perfect cut. easy it is. That's it. Perfect. So now you met regulation. Okay. And don't need nothing on that. So that's how you cut a drain out pipe. So for your hot water tank. So if you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.